Hi, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be pretty exciting. As you can see around me, my room looks pretty nice right now. That is because we just got done doing a total bedroom makeover. So we started out with some pretty dark colors in this room, some dark gray and like kind of a dark rosy mauve color. When we first moved into this house, we were 23 years old. And we just bought our first home. We were super excited, never got to paint anything before, and so we kind of went color crazy, and we bought pretty much every color you could possibly buy and tried to paint every room different colors, and some bright, some muted, and it was great for when we first moved in and when we were young and starting out, but our taste has definitely changed since then, and we've definitely wanted to kind of make things a little bit more muted, a little bit more in my style, which is kind of more bohemian, and my husband's style, which is kind of like modern or even mid-century modern style. And so in order to do that, we decided what a better place to start than, you know, the heart of the house, which is our bedroom. So we did a complete makeover. The bed frame that you see behind me, we actually have had for a few months now, but we used to have this like black wooden bed frame, and so we replaced that, and that was the first start. But in this video, you're going to see me paint the entire bedroom. You're going to see me update some of the decorations and furniture. You're going to see me put some new things in and take some old things out. And I have to say, it's pretty satisfying to watch someone paint in fast forward because in that time lapse, you know, you just see it and it's like, oh wow, it only took, you know, 5 minutes to paint this entire room, when actually it took like 5 days. Anyway, so I really hope that you enjoy watching this video. It was a pleasure to make it. I am very excited to share it with you guys, and I do plan on continuing to update things around this room, but this is definitely a much better start than what we had to begin with. I do want to warn you, the video that you are about to watch, the very beginning, is a mess. Our room became a dumping ground this past year since having our baby, you know, and anytime people would come over and we needed to get stuff kind of out of the main house, we would just toss it in the bedroom, and things just started to pile up. And no matter how many times I would clean it, how many times I would, you know, pick things up and put them away, it just wasn't working. So this really motivated me to get to that point. So I hope that you can sit back, relax, and enjoy watching me completely make over my bedroom from disaster to master. And hopefully you get something out of this, whether it's motivating yourself to get ready and do it yourself, clean your own room and, you know, renovate something around your house, or whether it's just simply sitting back and watching a satisfying video. So please comment below. Let me know your suggestions on future videos that I can do. I have a lot of ideas, but I'd love to hear from you. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I try and make content at least once a week to upload for you. And please give this video a like if it's something that you'd like to see in the future. I really do appreciate it.
All right, guys, here we go. This is the complete disaster that was our bedroom. Yep, those are baskets of clean clothes. We just sometimes get in the habit of washing them, folding them, putting them in the basket, bringing them upstairs, and not putting them away for at least a week. I'm trying to get out of that habit, and hopefully now with our clean room, we will be out of that habit. You can see here on the wall that we've got a lot of scratches and dents in the wall. You're also going to see here that our light switch plate is actually cracked, which I've ordered a new one. It just hasn't come in yet. It's just kind of embarrassing actually how poorly our walls have held up over the past couple of years. But nothing a few coats of paint isn't going to fix. wouldn't be a cleaning video that I made without using my Grove Collaborative Mrs. Meyers cleaning spray. This one's in scent lilac, which is my current favorite. It actually beat out peony for me this spring. Both of those are limited edition scents, but they are still available on Grove Collaborative right now, and I have a link in the description below if you're interested in getting a free 5-piece set. The color of the paint that we're using in our room is called Swiss Coffee, and it is a bare paint that I picked up at Home Depot. It only took 2 coats to completely cover the dark gray and the kind of dark mauve color walls that we had in there. So I do appreciate a paint that will only take 2 coats, even going to a super light color over a dark color. painted. Now we're going to move on to decorating, moving furniture around, etc. And in case you're wondering what that interesting looking box in the corner on my husband's side is, that is his watch winder. It winds his watches for him. Don't ask me why we have one. Now the fun part comes when I get to use power tools. I am about to hang this massive mirror that we picked up at HomeGoods. I've always dreamed of having a huge full-length mirror in my bedroom, and those dreams came true today. Oh man, you guys, you cannot know how good it feels to have this bright, cheery, clean, fresh room.